My big dog, man.
Yes, sir, man. Hey, the real one's supposed to be the real one. Come out.
Oh, yeah.
The real recognize the real, man. Come out a mile away, say. Get a video on me.
They can't stop this shit.
They ain't fucking with us, man.
Beat me, you can't copy this shit. I don't care how much money you got, you can't buy
I like
shit.
keep subscribing to my YouTube channel, man. Y'all share.
Bitch, I'm about to be rich, and I ain't trying to do no kicking with fake partners and shit. They go to acting like they cool, then they act like a bitch. Niggas praying for the rain, they be hoping you miss. They don't know I go hard, I be built for this shit. Everything gon' hit, that's on me and my chicks. They control the track, control what the future be. These niggas mad cause they some motherfucking used to be. I go back in these streets, who the fuck leave and come back and start?
That big. That good. Getting everything ready for Easter, man. So Saturday, day before Easter, gotta get these boys right. Got another one finna alright now, car. Stupid ass. Got another one finna pull up a beard boat. I think what it is a Saver. Motherfucker blue.
Did you even watch the car?
Watch who car? Yeah, I watched this car. What you think it came here for? Huh? I can't hear you. It don't look. It was way dirtier than this. Right on time, goddamn. Right on time. Another bop, nigga. We ride. Right on time. Right on time? Oh shit. I done just cleaned this and I done stepped all over it. You gotta guide them through. You gonna show them how to bag in? Huh? Oh, he fucking up all the train. It really look good though. Man, come on, you fucking waltz. It sounds good. Watch out, mama. I done hit like most of like the.
Man, he tried to oil on top of his car, but this by not being unlimited, he had the can system out. The can system.
Open it though. Show y'all the inside to this hoe. It look good. Yeah. Got them boys pulling in. Y'all see that motherfucker over there now. Got that bitch looking good now. Say, man, y'all continue liking, subscribe, man, to my YouTube channel, man. Like I said, it'll only get better from here, man. Y'all see that thing back there, man. You know, I'm doing it for Mobile, Alabama, man. Like I said, I'm gonna keep finding the hottest cars down here. Keep getting y'all good content. So, like I say, man, y'all do me a favor, share, like, subscribe, share it to somebody,